God had not forgotten Noah and all the animals with him. He caused a wind to blow and the water began to recede. The floodgates of the sky were closed and the rain stopped. After 150 days, the ark came to rest on a mountain in the Ararat range.
Look, the water is going down.
Noah sent out a raven, but it did not return. It kept flying until the water was completely gone. Then Noah sent out a dove to see if the water had receded, but the dove found no place to land and returned to him.
Patience, my little friend. We will wait a bit longer.
After 7 days, Noah sends the dove out again. This time, the dove returned with a fresh olive leaf in its beak.
The waters are receding. There is life returning.
Finally, the dove did not come back, signaling that it had found a new home. When Noah was 601 years old, the water was gone.
The land is dry. We can finally leave this place.
Noah, go out of the boat with your family. Release the animals so they may reproduce and fill the earth.
Come, everyone. It's time to step into a new world.
All the animals and birds went out of the boat, ready to begin anew.
Let us cherish this new beginning.